I spy with my little eye. The weekly candle just closed, guys, for every asset. You guys ready? Check this out. This is XRP for you. This is an insanely bullish candle. I can't even fathom it, guys. Look at this. In 1 week, XRP rose about 120%. What? Right? That's literally meme territory, by the way. But this is a top 10 asset cryptocurrency. How is that possible? I don't know. I guess it defies gravity, guys. But here's what's special about this, right? We're going to be talking about altcoins specifically in today's video, guys, and how it probably is time. XRP just took literally the last time it closed this high, guys, was let me see, over 1,000 days ago, right? That's diabolical. This is extremely bullish, right? All this consolidation, by the way, it just took in 1 weekly candle. Again, XRP's what, guys? Do you guys remember? Bamboo personality. Hopefully we keep rising, guys. Again, it's right there. Oh, I forgot to show Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, look at this. The highest weekly candle close for Bitcoin. Very, very beautiful, guys. Right? Very beautiful. So, let us begin. Now, there are rumors that Gary Gensler quits on the 18th, which is tomorrow, guys, supposedly. Right? People have been talking about and whispers of, hey, he might be bye-bye soon. I think he is, though. Right? I don't know about tomorrow specifically, but either or, he is soon, guys, and when he's gone, well, our altcoins will fly. Brad Garlinghouse confirms alt season, okay, and these institutions, because XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, that's the alphabet soup I like to see. Why? This comes from Bitwise. We are excited to announce that New York Stock Exchange has filed to list the Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund, okay? The world's first and largest crypto index fund as an ETP. This is the latest step in our efforts to convert the $1.3 billion publicly traded trust to an ETP structure. Oh, you don't say, guys? As of October 31st, the fund held the following assets: Bitcoin 75%, Ethereum 16%, Solana 4%, XRP 1.6% of the basket, guys, okay? And then we see other altcoins, specifically all these altcoins. Look at that. If this doesn't tell us alt season is literally right around the corner, I don't know what else will, right? So, and you know people will buy, right? You understand that, guys? Because it's diversified, and they love diversification, right? But Warren Buffett did say you probably do not want to do that, right? You want to go heavily into one asset if you do believe in it, right? If you do see a future for it, guys, which should be concentrated, though. It's fine, because it seems like every asset will rise, guys, or every cryptocurrency, shall I say, okay? Specifically altcoin season starts in 10 to 20 days from now. This is ridiculous, okay? This is absolutely diabolical, guys. You guys ready? I'm literally on no sleep, because we have to make it, guys, right? We're going to make it. Now, 224 days from Bitcoin halving, guys, it seems like Bitcoin's dominance, right? This is Bitcoin's dominance, took a fall, right? Took a dive. Look at that. 224 days from the previous Bitcoin halving. Well, it's about end of November. Interesting, isn't it, guys? Right. So the charts are suggesting, hey, altcoins are about to start flying. Your altcoins are about to explode. Why? We see a pattern repeating before our very own eyes, and that is on the weekly time frame, guys. This chart excludes Bitcoin, right? So it involves every other altcoin, and this chart excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, which involves every other altcoin, guys, okay, within this basket. Seems like the same fractal is repeating, guys, okay, like this. Look at that. The same fractal is repeating, guys. If this does play out, we should see trillions flowing into altcoins soon, guys, right? Alts, welcome to the Q4 altcoin hype cycle, right? There's literally a pattern that repeats. Supposedly, we got the altcoin hype cycle. The lowest hype is the green bar, guys, and then the highest hype is the red bar above. Check this out. It like flows from lowest hype to highest hype, right? And entering end of Q4, that is the highest hype, right? Q4 is the highest hype, guys. Look at that. Towards Q1, right? And then it goes back to the lowest hype. So if this tells us anything, it's that, hey, hype is about to return into altcoins and things are going to go parabolic. You may be wondering how is that even possible? Well, look at this. Hedge funds will be investing more in crypto over the next few weeks. Trillions. Digital asset investments rise as regulatory clarity and ETFs boost confidence. Nearly half, 47% of traditional hedge funds surveyed this year have exposure to digital assets, up from 29% in 2023 and 37% in 2022. Right, driven by increased regulatory clarity and the launch of spot cryptocurrency ETFs in Asia and in ACs among those already invested. 67% plan to maintain the same level of capital employed, while the remaining 33% plan to invest more capital by the end of 2024. Well, you look at that. 1/3 of the pie wants more, guys. Right, they're all greedy. When they see Bitcoin creating new all-time highs day after day, and altcoins doing the same exact thing, especially in the top 10, what's going to be triggered? Psychological FOMO. That's how it works, guys. Right? And so much more money will be flooding in. And then we got, on top of that, the Bitcoin dominance flooding into alts, right? For alt season, what we need to see here is, I don't know what chart this is, guys, but this chart basically says a cycle is repeating, right? And this cycle looks more so compared to 2017. This was a 2021 cycle. Look how it was up here, but 2017 was down here compared to now 2025. I told you guys, this cycle, I'm pretty sure, will have a repeat of 2017, which was, if I'm not mistaken, I wasn't there for the first part of 2017, but up, down, and up again, right? And then we have alt season number 1, alt season number 2, right? Alt season number 1 here soon, in a couple weeks to months. 2 will be next year, end of next year probably. So we just broke through major resistance. Look at that. When we do, guys, right? Alt season began, right? Look at that. Broke through major resistance. Alt season began. So what do you know? The charts are all suggesting the same outcome. Altcoin season will start soon. And right now, it is not altcoin season because we are at 43, guys. Okay, when it heads to toward the right side, well, that's altcoin season. Outperforming Bitcoin to the highest degree. Bitcoin dominance violent declines begins next month, guys. Right? Interesting. That could make sense. Why? Because if Bitcoin starts going like this, right, then alts kind of slowly follow it, guys. Okay, but not really. Bitcoin dominance will go higher for a little bit, right, for the next couple of weeks or whatnot, but then next month it's going to tumble like that, right? And altcoins will fly like that, guys, right? For the Bitcoin dominance, well, Bitcoin will probably just stabilize, and alts will just keep flying and flying and flying. And right now we're seeing we are at huge resistance. Look at that, right? Momentum is fading as well, guys. It's not skyrocketing like this, right? It's going gradually upward. Then we see the others. Chart paints a different picture to total 3, as it includes or excludes. Okay, so these tokens are excluded from this chart, guys. The top 10, which includes lots of majors like Solana, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, etc., which have been pumping. What do you think happens when that capital rotates down the risk curve? So much upside on the smaller alts, guys. Right. So this is excluding the top 10 coins, okay? And it seems like we are breaking through, right, towards the upside. And look at this. This is total 3. Massive breakthrough just occurred, right? Hold support, blast off, guys. Trillions will be coming in, right? Excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's going to be in the trillions upon trillions upon trillions, guys, okay? For market cap. We then see for altcoins, are you bullish enough? If not, take a look at this chart. Total market cap repeats when what already happened in 2020. A breakout here is a huge sign. After that, there were months of fireworks for alts, right? once we seen the breakout retest as support, that's what came, guys. The same thing is repeating. We broke out. Are we going to retest? I don't know. I don't think I would retest it here. You know why? I would just pump it, people chase, and then when the recession strikes, I would come for the retest. Look at that, right? No one is calling it, guys. Then blast it up again for this true season to start, right? And that's like 20 trillion. So now we go to like 5, maybe 7 trillion, come back down for the retest. I will not retest it right now. That's during the recession. If I was a market maker, I don't know, guys. We're crazy here, right? This is for altcoins total too. It seems like the MACD is about to cross a bullish. Last time it did that was here, right? And that's what came up, guys. And then back there, that's what came up. So huge. All these charts are representing the same exact thing, right? Bitcoin hopefully explodes. Then we see our altcoins will too, guys. And USDT dominance goes down dramatically. Let us pray, let us hope, because dreams will come into reality sooner rather than later. Not financial advice, but it's SoFace Masons. See ya.